Well, here's 5 things that you can easily declutter right now.
Even a 10-minute race against your phone's timer makes all the difference. Let's go. Number 1, random screenshots on your phone. It's crazy how many screenshots we can accumulate on our phones over the years. Chances are you won't even need like 90% of them.
Number 2, old socks with holes or no mates. I'm not sure anyone actually likes wearing socks with holes. It's just a thing of apathy that keeps us holding on to worn out socks that we don't like wearing. Chances are you probably don't even need those holey socks at the bottom of your drawer. You try and avoid them anyway, don't you? Just chuck them, and those lonely soles with no sock pairing as well. Unless you're kind of into wearing mismatched socks, I guess. Miss Addie is not.
Number 3, old knives and forks with rust marks. Any rust that doesn't come off your utensils, just throw them. It's not worth getting sick or rummaging past them every single time you have to search for new, clean cutlery. Number 4, expired beauty products. Products that are expired should be relegated to the bin. It's not worth keeping products that are clearly past their shelf life. It's not worth breaking out in zits all over your face because you've used up the last of the foundation that you bought like 3 years ago. Speaking from experience here, just bin them. Not on your face, in the bin.
Number 5, your backpack or your handbag. Well, the junk that can accumulate in that bag is just nuts. Old receipts, empty packets of paracetamol, gum. It's a wonderful feeling to have a clean bag where you can just reach for anything that you need. No more rummaging around in that crowded Starbucks line for your wallet ever again. Well, at least until it's the next time for a much needed bag declutter, that is. Let me know if you declutter any of the things that we mentioned in this video. We'd love to know. Happy decluttering!
Turkey. Addie, there's a turkey in the house! There's a turkey in the house!
Okay, you went around.
The cables. What'd you say? You smell like a turkey.
Yeah.
You smell like a turkey.